Hello everyone, Brinks here, RehTro, get the root of all game. We're back with Truster Clock, Cluster Truck. Okay, and we're stuck. Okay, all right, cool. Yeah, all right, I got double jump. Let's see what we got here. See how it works. Whew. Okay, I like the double jump. Whoa. Ow. Jesus Christ. I'm actually bobbing my head from side to side, trying to dodge it. Shit. Shit. Shit, a duck. Ah. Oh. Like I am literally swaying like a fucking pod racer in my gaming chair. Like I'm gonna dodge these things like fucking woof. Yeah, because your strafing here sucks a big old cat. I don't know, that ain't too bad. Ah. This is hard. Side to side is not a very... You see how slow that is? That is flipping redonkulous. Whoa, traffic jam. Oh, second jump saved me. Oh, it actually did save me. Save me again. Second jump. Oh. Oh, I was so close. I guess I can go over? Nope. Denied. Oh, did not mean to go. Like, you gotta be careful on that forward. Like, when you press forward, you go forward. Like crab shuffling here. Alright, we're still good. We're still alright. We're all alright. We're all until I did that. Fuck. Alright. A little bit to the left. Ooh. Ooh, a little bit to the right. A little bit to the left. A little bit to the right. What? I did not hit that. Dick splooge. Sorry, I was thinking of Bridget from F is for Family, and she's like, "You splooge socket." I guess that's a socket that splooge goes into. We're good, we're good, we're good. We're perfect. Double jump. Whoo! Look at that. Look at that shit right there. So, we're gonna play this game until it gets boring, or I become just the fucking shit at it, and it's not even a challenge to me anymore. Or I hit a wall of a level that I can't pass. So there's a bridge. Why? Why would you don't go off? Don't follow your friends. Whoop. Fuck. Fuck. If your friends drove off a cliff, would you? Like, I don't even understand why some of them are just. Don't you do it. Fuck. Whoop, whoop. Get on the back of that truck. So if you like hit the back of the truck and like press the A button a couple times, you can actually climb it. Right? Fuck. God dang, that is sensitive controls. Whoop. 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 Don't go off the mountain. Fuck. Whoop. Hell yeah. I don't like where I'm at. This is not a good spot. Ah. Whoop. Whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Ah, fuck. Alright, let's sit right here. Alright. Ah, damn, man, that was the way home right there. Woo! Fuck. Alright. Who says you can't go home? Who says you can't go? Ah, man, I cleared that shit. Like a clogged toilet, I cleared that shit. Alright, somebody go underneath the tree. There it is. There it ain't. Oh! Somebody! Oh, I bet I got... Oh, I'm an idiot. So none of them are gonna go that way. I've got to do the double jump. That's the reason why they gave me that ability. Imagine that. Woohoo! Alright. Oh, some of them do go that way. Imagine that. Cool, we'll just ride the finish line. And we'll all win. How about that? Uh-oh, another anti-gravity level. So I'm guessing the truck I stay on loses its gravitational... Get over there! Ah. So I guess the truck that I'm on will sink. Because apparently a semi-truck plus a person is... Oh, that was close. Whatever this anti-gravity portal thing is can hold up a semi-truck, but not a semi-truck and a person. Okay, so apparently I can jump on the side of the trucks too. This is all interesting. It's very good. Very good for my research. Ah, shit. That is a hard move right there. There it is. There it is. There it is. How about that shit? Ah, get out of here. Woohoo! Oh, that's a lot of fucking trucks coming my way. Leap of faith, Assassin's Creed. So I need to get ahead of this wreck. Yeah. Also staying on a truck. Ah, shit. Go. Alright, right here, let's see. Gonna sell my boat ashore. Kumbaya. Ah, man. Fuck. Excuse me. Sorry. Still sick. Whoa. Oh, there was a truck right there. Come on. Oh! Oh, that would have been so sweet. Sweet. Sweet success. There it is right there. Ah. Ah. Oh. Right there. Alright. Whatever you do, do not... Whoa. Whoa. Fuck. Oh, man. Are you flipping, dipping serious? Jump. Yeah, yeah. How you like that shit? Fuck. Fortune favors the bold. Damn. What a cluster truck! There it is, there it is. Land on one of them fucking... Son of a bitch! I just needed you to jump 3 stories in the air and land on a fucking truck, moving at about 60 miles an hour, approximately. Get up there. There it is, there's that one. Oh. Alright. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna grab one of them crashing trucks, and I'm gonna jump all the way over this fucking course. That's what's about to happen. Let me show you how I do that. That one. Fuck. I missed it. I missed it. Get that one. Ah, shit. Okay, that wasn't what I wanted to do, but that's fine. Ah, shit. Stay the course. Stay the course. Ah! Launch myself forward like that, like. Where are you going? What the hell? I mean, good job missing the tree and everything. Oh, double jump again. Get in there, get in there, get in there. Ha, ha. Those tricks. That's what I'm fucking talking about. Oh, shit. I guess I should log that as a failure. Yeah. Sound like Doodle Bob. Yeah. Fuck. So jump, and a jump, and a jump, and a jump. There we go. Now this is the wreck part. Fly true, Truckosaurus. Fuck. Yeah. Ain't like that. How'd that catch you? Keep going. Keep going. I believe in you. Fuck. Keep going. Keep going. Oh shit! I fell off of it. You completed a level. Alright, that's a good stopping place. Brenticuss. You know what? No, that's not. I don't like that. I'm gonna keep going a little bit. That's a lot of polygon boulders right there. Oh, oh god. Oh. Okay. Never mind. Shit. Ha. Ha. Stay the course. Stay the. Oh. All right. Guess I gotta get ahead of this avalanche. Okay, we're fine. We're fine. We're not fine. Get right there. Get up there. We're fine. We're good. We're actually, yeah, we're fine. Part of me says I should jump. Part of me says just stay the course. Stay the course. Stay the course. Yay! Stay the course. Whew. Tricks. Hood Rider. Wow, that's pretty good. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna take that as a sign to stop the episode. So, brenticuss, RooTz. See you next time.